10 unknown facts about Zoya Afroz. First, Zoya Afroz is a popular Indian actress and model who has appeared in a number of Bollywood films and television shows. Third, Zoya Afroz was born in Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh, India on 10th January 1995. Third, she attended R.N. Shah High School in Mumbai. She subsequently attended Mithibai College in Vile Parle, Mumbai, where she acquired her Bachelor of Commerce degree. Fourth, Zoya started her career as a child artist with the film Hum Saath Saath Hai in 1999. Fifth, Zoya was just 18 when she won the Pond's Femina Miss India indoor title in 2013. Sixth, while Afroz was competing in the Glamour Supermodel India pageant, she won the title of Miss India International 2021. Seventh, Zoya Afroz will address India at the Miss Worldwide exhibition in Tokyo, Japan in 2022. Eighth, as a youngster entertainer, Zoya Afroz show up in serials like Kora Kagaz, Child Pari and Murmur, Saath Aath Hai. Ninth, she made her acting presentation at 9 years old in the film Kuch Na Kaho. 10th, some of her notable films include The Expose, Sweetie Waits NRI, and Mudhugaon. Subscribe the channel.